बहुत बहुत अच्छा लगता है एक्चुअली ये मेरा दूसरे बार I've come to the races so it was good experience. I love horses and it was very fast and quick but it was a good experience.
अच्छा इसके पहले भी काफ़ी ग्लैमर जुड़ चुका है इसके साथ तो इस बार जुड़ के कैसा लग रहा है?
ग्लैमर कहाँ पे?
मतलब यहाँ पे पहले
So it's an annual event because ladies coming, so Nakshi's been here, Vidya's been here.
Oh, this event. हाँ तो इसलिए मैं hat पहन के आई.
Another glamour addition.
Yes.
In addition to the glamour, actually.
In addition, I bet no one's worn a hat and come, no?
No.
Yeah, so that's why.
जैकलिन आपकी बात करें तो आप कौन से स्पोर्ट्स में सबसे ज़्यादा रुचि है?
Sports. I like sports. I'm not really a fan of watching sports so much, but I personally like badminton. If I was a better horse rider, I'm sure I would be more into horse races.
No, you don't. What will you say about Milan sir?
Milan sir is an amazing director. I've always been a huge fan, and I'm just feeling very grateful that he called me for today's event, to be part of today's event. And he himself is an avid horse rider, so I also have a passion for horses, so I guess that's something that we share.